Circuit design often involves many repetitive tasks and iterations, particularly when it comes to experimental design, circuit optimization, data collection, and analysis. These tasks are time-consuming and tedious, and can often consume a significant amount of an engineer's time and resources. To address this, engineers can leverage various tools to perform automation, such as traditional coding, which involves writing code using languages such as Python or C++. However, when you are working on tasks that require quick, on-the-fly iteration and experimentation, traditional coding languages can become a bottleneck in the development process. PathWave Instrument RPA provides real-time interactive automation in your circuit design workflow, enabling you to make data-driven decisions swiftly, without the effort required to do any coding. In this technology demonstration, we are showing the parameterization function in Instrument RPA to, on the fly, change a variable repetitively and rapidly, in Keysight Advanced Design System, start the simulation, and visualize signal quality with Keysight Vector Signal Analysis. This is useful in enabling engineers to perform quick iterations and rapid prototyping without having to write code manually. Circuit design and prototyping often require a range of software and test instruments to create and test electronic circuits. Many of the tasks are repetitive, with engineers repeating simulations, measurements, updating, and optimizing the circuit design until the desired performance is achieved. With Keysight Eggplant and PathWave Instrument RPA, you can interactively link real-world signals acquired by Keysight instruments, such as Vector Network Analyzer, to Keysight Advanced Design System. You can repetitively substitute simulation results on the fly for actual DUT measurements across various variables, or provide actual hardware measurements as inputs to simulations. This is useful when one hardware stage is physically realized before others are available, or when you want to understand the implications of changes to the previous hardware design stage on the next. Alternatively, you can measure the output of prototype hardware and use it as a source signal for a simulation, which is helpful when you want to provide a source signal based on actual physical hardware measurement. With a combination of simulated and measured results, you can rapidly and effectively evaluate your system, even with missing hardware, providing you with a time-to-market advantage. Following on is the technology demonstration of optimizing a schematic across a range of temperatures using measurements from a physical circuit. On this screen, you can see two windows. The window on your right is PathWave Instrument RPA. Instrument RPA acts as middleware, connecting concurrently to a mock oven, representing a proprietary app, of which variables of interest are altered, Keysight VNA to measure the S parameters on actual hardware, and ADS software, which contains the circuitry that will be tuned to represent the behavior of the actual hardware across a range of temperature. The window on the left is Keysight Eggplant. Keysight Eggplant interacts with Instrument RPA and orchestrates measurements and simulations. You can see Eggplant's intuitive sense-talk code right here. sense-talk is an English-like scripting language used for developing scripts in Eggplant functional. At the start of the test, Eggplant instructs RPA to set the oven temperature to 30 degrees Celsius. Eggplant then waits for the temperature to hit 30 degrees Celsius by reading the oven's GUI via computer vision. Once the temperature hits 30 degrees Celsius, Eggplant instructs Instrument RPA to shift control to VNA to measure the DUT's S parameters. With that done, ADS kicks in and starts the tuning process. All these steps are performed through Eggplant and Instrument RPA without human intervention. In this technology demonstration, this workflow is performed once. In reality, you are likely to perform this repeatedly while changing parameters of interest or to get an average value over time. Keysight Eggplant and PathWave Instrument RPA enable you to perform interactive, concurrent applications and instruments automation without the complexity of custom scripting using SCPI or device-specific driver commands. To learn more, contact us at ia.support@keysight.com.